Officer Buckle and Gloria.
Officer Buckle knows a lot of safety tips, about 77, but no one wants to listen. Officer Buckle shared all his safety tips, but no one would ever listen. They would just be snoring on their chairs.
Note to self, kids do not listen.
Then he got a dog named Gloria. He brought her to the school. The next time he went, the dog would copy all the things that Officer Buckle would do. So whenever he looked back, Gloria would sit. Oops, I slipped on a banana peel.
Rule number 77. Kids may not throw banana peels on the ground.
Then when he got back, he was so happy that the kids liked it. When Officer Buckle woke up the next morning, he got a bunch of letters from the kids. The picture all had Gloria on it doing different poses. Officer Buckle was so mad/sad, so Gloria went by herself and did not do good. The next morning, the teacher fell and her poster was on her face and she dropped the hammer because she slipped on a banana peel.
And for some reason that day, everyone was breaking the rule.
The next morning, a big stack of letters arrived to Officer Buckle's office. All of them said sorry and told him about the accident.
And everything lived happily ever after.